Hi, how's it going? I'm Tim Lazinski with Midwest Car Exchange. I'd like to welcome all of our subscribers worldwide. Today I'm bringing you an absolutely beautiful triple black 1966 Ford Thunderbird. This is actually a code 63D, so this is the Landau special. And it's also a Q code car, which is sporting the factory 428 cubic inch engine. A lot of horsepower, about 345 rated from the factory. This car was pretty much entirely restored exterior wise. Newer seats we're looking at. So I want to give you guys a quick rundown on the interior. We're going to take it for a lap, do a quick walk around. So we'll kind of get through everything on it. But this car did come from the factory, like I mentioned, with that 428 engine in it. So that's that big horsepower engine with power steering, power brakes, power door locks, power windows, power seat. The normal Landau edition, so it had a lot of power options, normal Thunderbirds as well. Interior wise, it's absolutely beautiful. I'm not seeing any cracks in the top of the dash. Seats are in great shape. Not seeing any seam splits or tears in the seats. Nice center console. A-tracks. So this is an AM, FM, and A-track car. And in the trunk, I've got a tote filled with A-tracks. So if you like any kind of music, this is the kind of car for you. So I've got a beautiful interior here. Nice steering wheel, door panels, everything is nice. All this is really nice condition too. Clock, everything is in really good condition on the car. So what I want to do is take this car for a quick lap so you guys can see all the couple options, or the options that the car does have, and see how it runs and drives. So first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the thing up. Starts up very smooth. Good sound, not hearing any exhaust leaks or anything of that nature. Oh, this is a slide-away steering car. So easy access in and out, and I'm a taller guy, so this is nice. Oh, this is nice up here. Full top console up here too, with all the indicators for seatbelt flashers, door ajar, low fuel lights. So all those dummy lights are there. Everything's really nice. I also want to take the car into my showroom and show you guys some of the lights and hear the engine and exhaust and whatnot. So make sure you stay tuned on this video. I'll show you all of that. So first impression is it's tracking down the road nice and straight. I got on the brakes kind of hard right there. Didn't shoot side to side at all. So it's braking in a nice straight line. So far, no suspension noise. Everything seems really nice and tight on it. That's the first thing I look for right away is that suspension noise, to see if any bushings are gone, tie rod ends, anything of that nature. And I'm not hearing any clunking, feeling anything. Steering is just very, very tight on the car as well. So that's also a good sign. I'm hitting some divots in the road right here. I'm not noticing anything rattle either, so that's good. Headliner's in awesome shape as well. The turn signal indicator on the right-hand side there did light up. Let me check the left side. Left side lights up as well. So on top of those fenders there, both of those are lighting up. I just shifted through, doing about 50 right now, nice and tight, not noticing any rattles or anything of that nature. Again, let go of the steering wheel, the thing is not moving even an inch. So braking in a straight line, shooting down the road in a straight line, good acceleration, good braking. Driveline wise, I give this thing all aces, so it's pretty awesome. Let's go ahead, do a quick walk around, and then I'm going to show you guys the lights and the engine running from the exterior of the car.